Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine, and I'll just start by drinking some water. You already know water blesses your skin, so grab a glass of water and join me while watching this video. And once I'm done, I'll wash my hands for 20 seconds, especially during this pandemic. Ain't nobody trying to touch their face with dirty hands, so wash your hands, people. I'll then scrub my face with the St. Ives coconut and coffee scrub, but first I'll wet my hands instead of wetting my face, so that's just less messy, less rough, all of that. Don't mind me. And I usually don't scrub my face every day, just when I either have makeup on, I'll use it as a makeup remover before cleansing, and if I don't wear makeup for a while, then I'll just scrub my face once or twice a week. And try and scrub your face for 60 seconds. It just makes a difference. I don't know why, it does. And yes, I'll use my face scrub as my lip scrub as well. Save your coins. I'll then use the Dr. BELMEUR Daily Repair Cleanser. That's me trying to show you guys, but don't worry, everything will be listed down below with the links, yes. It really do be a struggle. As you can see, I don't really put that much, and I'll just rub it against my hands until I get a foamy consistency before I put it on my face, so it's less rough. And I'll just scrub my face for 60 seconds. And you can also sing the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air theme song. That's also 60 seconds if you can't keep up with yourself. I'll then dry my face like this, and that's just me avoiding to use a cloth. It do be a process, but I swear it works. I'd be bored sometimes, bro, so you can listen to some music during this time. And you can also do some stretches, you know, around your neck, your arms, all of that. It makes the process go faster. And for those that don't want to do that method, you can use a cotton pad. You can use a cotton pad. It's faster, and the good thing about this is that you don't have to reuse it again, so you know it's not collecting any bacteria. Okay, so I love being really moisturized, so I use baby oil right before I apply my cleanser, so that's just a good trick if you find that your moisturizer is not enough. And I'll use about 4 drops of the baby oil and just press it against my skin. And then I'll use the Dr. BELMEUR Moisturizer. And yeah, you see how good it is? That's how much good it is. It's almost done. I have to reorder another one, which will take forever because of this pandemic. But that's about how much I use, and I'll just Apply it on my face. Try and go upwards against gravity, people. Save your faces. And last but not least, moisturize your lips. Vaseline. Guys, I don't care which lip balm you use, Vaseline will always be the right one. It's the one. It hits the spot. It works. You don't have to reapply after that. And there you go. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.